Good morning. It is sale day again, but not for the sheep. It is a poultry sale today. So we are going to head to town and see if we can get a couple chickens to replace the ones my dogs got. And then apparently my neighbor, I didn't realize this, but she raises quail and she's going to take a bunch to the sale. So we're going to go buy them, I think. And then another buddy of ours is looking for some stuff. So we've got a list for him and we're going to go pick that up and trade him for something really kind of cool. And I'll show you when we get there. Good morning, Luna. Can I see your babies? Out. You gonna take me to see your babies? Can we go see them? Oh, Luna, come on. Can we go see your babies? Look, you got little babies. Holy crap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 6? Is that 6 of them? Huh? Yeah, you did good, Mama Kitty.
What about you guys? 35, 30, 35. Next one back in, $10. $6. Only $5. Put them on 120, 112. Want all three? He just wants to wipe.
From the chicken auction. Y'all think I have a problem with sheep? I didn't bid on a single thing. But here's what we brought home.
Chicken.
We got 5 chickens and 12 little quail that we bought from my neighbor. And I have that other 30 on order from him, as well as the 30 that I already ordered from someone else, because I have a problem. And we'd also bought 10 of those other red hens and a rooster for our buddy that we have to go back to go get a deal for the quail.
Yes.
Yeah.
A quail hutch.
A quail hutch and apparently some panels.
You gotta put it up here. Put it up here where I can get it. Whoa! Did you see that?
He's spring loaded.
Man, that was a hell of a jump. Wing.
All right, give Nimbus a shot.
All right, Junie, drop and sit. Junie, sit. Junie, sit. It's Nimbus's turn. Nimbus, go fetch it up. He's his own worst enemy. We'll see if he gets it clear
Where'd
here.
it go?
Good boy. Good boy. Bring it in.
No.
Well, he does pretty good right up until the end.
Till he has to actually bring it to you. Goofballs. All right. That's what we brought home from our buddy. It is basically a quail cage. So we're going to clean out a spot and get it set up and get the quail in there. Lost one on the way home, but still have 4, which is all I really needed. So there it is, all set up. And we got 12 little quail inside. I forget how much I like quail. They're just such cool birds compared to chickens. They're so calm. For a day of doing almost nothing, I'm exhausted. But we got the chickens home, we got the quail home, we dropped chickens and a rooster off at our buddy's and picked up the quail hutch that he built. That's amazing. Got the quail put in, got our chickens put in our chicken coop that still needs a little bit of work, but it should hold for now. And then just had a pair of twins born. Well, not just. While we were doing everything else, had a pair of twins born. So I got to get them in the barn. And then tomorrow, we need to do a bunch of cleaning up. I got to get a bunch of stuff out of jugs. I've got to wean a bunch of lambs. And I got to go to town. I'm out of milk, or almost out of milk. We're almost out of dog food, and basically the things we always go to town for. So that will be tomorrow's project. But for tonight, let's go bring those lambs in and call it a night. Forgot to show you these guys last night. Boy, girl. Good mom. Lambs definitely come in pairs, and I don't necessarily mean twins. So today hasn't really gone as planned. It's kind of been a busy day of getting nothing done. Does that make sense? So she jumped out of her pen with her lambs because we're late feeding. I give up. We had to go to town and get milk for the lambs, which they were out of the brand we normally get, so we had to get a different brand and a small bag. And then we had to go get concrete so that we could pour some more fittings for the greenhouse, and ended up buying a whole pallet. We'll use it. I mean, we have a lot of stuff we want to do. And then when we got home, let's see if I can find them. Got this mama with a set of Finn babies. And just a few minutes ago, we got this mama with what kind of looks like Finn babies. And then we just pulled this lamb from this mom, and he is, or she is, humongous. So I doubt very much she has a second one in her. But yeah, so that's 5 lambs in, well, those 2 were born quite a while ago, but these 3 were born within the last 30 minutes. I didn't get my jugs cleaned out. I did not get my lambs weaned, but we got some stuff done in the dairy barn that we needed to do. And we got some computer work done that we needed to do. And we made it to town. And that's really all we've been able to do today. So, I have 3 moms that need to be put into jugs. Hello, mama. Which means I gotta take out 3, and she will be one. Oh, I'm guessing she blew her gate because those are her lambs in the alley. So yes, she will definitely go into the intermediate pen, and we'll take out probably at least 3 others so that we'll have an extra pen for morning. And it's feeding time, so let me get through that, then I'll be back. Jealous boys. Muffin. Granite. Henry, Woody, you guys. So these two are, I believe, the same daddy. I know they're related, they're closely related, because I cannot breed his babies to him and his babies to him. Crazy guys. Well, my Finn boys are both boys. And she had a girl and a boy. Hi, where's your boy? He was here a second ago. Oh, there he is. He's hiding. And then she had a very big boy. And then there were 7. And I got 2 that are kind of looking like they're going to lamb before morning. Hi, sis. No babies this morning. But we are down to 7. You ever feel like you're just not winning? March is almost over and I still have so much to do. I've been seed starting a bunch. We're trying to get 2 new garden plots sectioned off, kill the grass, get all of that prepped. We are trying to get the greenhouse set up. He's been pouring footings for that. And we're still lambing, and we still need to... Thanks. And we're still... What are you guys doing? Huh? And we're still trying to wean things, and it just seems like it's never ending. Thanks to an amazing friend, we have a coop for our quail. We bought 12 at the auction the other day, and then I have another 30 coming here in about a week and a half. And then my meat chickens are going to get here at the same time as the rest of the quail. I have nowhere to put them yet. Our chicken coop that I put our new chickens in needs a lot of work. It's holding for now, but I don't know how long that'll last. Probably the first time I let the Yahoo dog out. So I need to get that fixed and finished. And I just don't seem to have enough hours in the day. So the whole March Madness, it is not basketball related. It is definitely farm related. So I think once I finish watering, we're going to go ahead and pull out those, I think there's 15, 17 ewes that we need to wean the lambs off of. So we're gonna get that taken care of before the day is over. And I really wanna get those ewes out of the jugs and just have that all ready for these last 7, so that when they all get born and connected and vaccinated and wormed and everything we do, and then out with the rest of them in the nursery, then we can go ahead and tear out all the jugs and get that whole area cleaned out. Hey guys. I just walked into the barn as she dropped the lamb. Yay! Okay. Well, I guess we'll see if she has another one or not. And then there were 6. So she did just have the one big single. And it's a boy. Went ahead and cleaned out almost all the jugs. So these guys are in the intermediate until we get a little bit more room in the nursery. We've got a bunch that we need to get weaned here probably tomorrow. And then we'll set these guys in the intermediate out. And those 3, plus these 2, go into the intermediate pen. And then the next day they'll go out into the maternity pen. And hopefully by then these other 6 will have lambed and we'll be done. So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.